Afternoon, guys. So I didn't show you my outfit earlier when we went to church. This is how I looked. These are the shoes. I always turn this around. I don't know why I do that, but this is how the shoes look. They're not the most comfortable shoes, to be honest, because they're small, they're size 4, and I actually wear size 5, but I liked them and they felt good when I wore them. But this front part, this one over here, this is not comfortable at all. I did buy this ones this way because of you remember the pink ones I wore the last time on here, and I told you that the strap was not okay because it was loose. So I bought this ones because I thought the strap tied out would be nice, but it's not. I don't know how to wear shoes like this actually, to buy shoes like this. So this is how I look. This is how I look. I wore this leather jacket because it's cold outside and it's raining. You know the bag, it's still the same. Yeah, so this is how I look. And guys, do you see that? I have gained weight. I have gained weight. And I love how I look right now. I really do. So anyway, we did go to church. And after church, we went over to ShowPride at Maseru Mall. I'm sure you see clips about that. We went to Maseru Mall to buy a few stuffs that have been finished in the house, especially the bread flour, because we've been loving making bread. So the bread flour is almost gone. So we went to buy some of it, and then we bought more pads. I told you we went on our periods at the same time with my sister, so the pads are gone. So we went to refill those, but we're almost done anyway. They'll be for next month. So we bought those and we bought some shaving sticks. My hands have been looking crazy and my feet, they are so hairy. I don't even want to show you that. It's a crime. That's a crime scene. So I'm not going to show you my hairy legs. We are going to shave those, and we bought the relaxer. We finally bought the relaxer, guys. We needed the relaxer for our hair. So we finally bought that as well. But we had to go to the other shop right at like in the middle of town. Where is that? Downtown, because Maseru Mall they did not have the relaxer. And surprising, remember I told you the relaxer was 125, is now 130, and we only find that out at the till. Can you imagine that? I was so upset. But anyway, that's my story. I'll show you those things right now. I'll try to show you those so you see what we bought. Okay, guys, let's look at my outfit. Let's look at my outfit. Yeah, bye. So guys, I have changed into my home clothes and I'm about to show you what we bought from ShopRite. And I forgot to even tell you, my sister had laid some shoes for me for work, and today we are able to take them out so I can start wearing them next week. They're so comfortable. I even took the shoes I was wearing off because, like I said, they are very uncomfortable. I took those off in my ceremony and wore these ones to just walk around and feel them, get a feel of them. They were so nice on my feet. They were so light too, and the heel is not too high, which is what I like. It's high but not too high. I'll show you those just now, but first I want to show you the groceries. I don't know where I'll place you so that you can be able to see everything, or I should just turn the camera around so that I can show you, or maybe ask my sister to help me. So these are the receipts that I have for these things that we bought. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if you can see anything. Anyway, this one is, it's 135. It's for the flour, for the shaving sticks, and the pads. And then we have another receipt. They are selling plastic now at ShopRite. Can you believe that? ShopRite selling plastic. Wow. And we have this one. This one's the one that got me upset. This one got me upset. It makes 319.25. And there are some biscuits. I bought myself some biscuits. My sister bought herself some chippies. We have two relaxers, which I thought they were 124.99, and when you go to the till, they are making 130. And I only realized this when I got to the car because I was like, I'm sure I was going to get change, but I didn't get change. Instead, they asked me to add some more money. So I looked like what was wrong, and I find that the relaxer had gone up, but that was not displayed on the thingy when we were buying. That is so upsetting. There should be a rule maybe against something like that happening. Uh, anyway, those are the things that we bought, and plastic as well. Here they said it was 90 cents. How much was it here? From the other shop, price the plastic was 130 cents. I'm sure it is because it's bigger than this one. I'm not, no, I'm not sure. I don't know why it's 130 cents here. Here it's just 90 cents. Okay, let me show you everything before the time goes. It's already 3 minutes here recording. Let me show you everything. So yeah, this is everything that we bought. I even forgot that we had bought some apples as well. So we have apples. There's the relaxer, the dark and lovely for for kids. It's very good for our scalp because it's sensitive. They're coconut bright brand biscuits, and we have the shaving sticks and cortex pads and the flour for bread. That's it, guys. And all this cost, I'll show you the cost on the screen for everything. So guys, that's the plastic from Legit. We paid for this as well. The plastic, we paid for it. Anyway, here's the receipt. The shoes were actually 300, so we have paid like the first $100 when we lay by it, and then the last 200 we paid now. God, guys, you need to see these shoes. They do not deserve to be called $300. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my sister put this back here because for the ambience. But this is how they looked from the shop. I did test them and walk in them to feel them to see how they feel. They look so good on my feet. I'll show you once I've worn them. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how they look. flick it. Anxious.